And we're back on the budget build. Some things I like to do is show you some tips and tricks. And the first thing here is that is a aerosol shaker operated by a battery powered drill. You can pick them up online for 30, 40 bucks and they work extremely well, especially with these big 20-ounce aerosols. So what I'm doing here is I'm actually using Pettit's new EZ Prime 6149 in an aerosol. And the reason why I picked an aerosol for this, one, it's overall pretty small square footage. Two, again, this is kind of a rough boat. So this is filling in all the nooks and crannies really well, where rolling and tipping it will just slow down this process, and we're trying to get this done relatively quickly. Again, we're trying to get this boat flipped in a week. So what you're seeing here is I'm just going around the boat with the EZ Prime aerosol, going heavier up around the gunnel, and then going lighter underneath the boat. I just need a lot more material up at the gunnel, just so I have something nice to sand back to. And again, this isn't a show boat, so we're really just going to focus on the areas that get a lot of visibility. And on a smaller boat like this, on a trailer, it's going to be the gunnel area. So I'm putting a lot more material there. I ended up putting 2 coats on this in a lot of the upper portions. And below it, I just needed enough to cover a lot of the ugliness. So you're going to see me go around the boat a couple times here. And one thing I want to point out is on the first coat, you saw me go pretty light. One reason for that is, again, I don't really know what that original coating was on there. So I threw a tack coat on there just to see if there was going to be any type of reaction. Luckily, there wasn't, and that's why I ended up putting the heavier second coat on with a lot of confidence that I wasn't going to have any issues. So that's it. That'll wrap up this one, and I will see you on the next one.